Hey everyone, if your Dropbox is not syncing files on Windows in 2026, like files stuck, not uploading, or not updating, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Dropbox not syncing step by step. First, open Dropbox and check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop syncing completely. Next, make sure Dropbox is actually running on your computer. I mean, if it's closed, syncing will not work at all. Now, restart the Dropbox app. Closing and reopening it often fixes temporary sync issues. After that, check if syncing is paused. I mean, sometimes it gets paused accidentally without noticing. Next, check your files for very large sizes or unsupported formats. These can block syncing. Now, make sure your Dropbox storage is not full. I mean, no space means no syncing. After that, update your Dropbox app to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause sync problems. Finally, restart your Windows PC or reinstall Dropbox if nothing else works. I mean, this fixes deeper system issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox not syncing files on Windows in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your files should start syncing properly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech troubleshooting tutorials for beginners.